In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the custom product builder on Shopify. Let's get started. So for this one, I have actually 3 applications that I want to introduce to you for the product customization build. So the first product we have is the Customizer. As you can see, they have a 15-day free trial and they only reach around $9.99 per month. So this is what it looks like, and it is perfect if you have a printing business or apparel store right here. So this actually what looks like right now. As you can see, it is beneficial if you all have this. So when you scroll down, you can also see in here the description. You can add visual product customizer to your store and let your customer pre-personalize custom products. So in here, you can see they have this pricing. The basic plan is around $9.99 per month. Advanced plan is around $29.99 per month. And the professional plan is around $49.99 per month. So just choose which one is applicable to you. They have in here some customizable product limit. This has unlimited, this has 25, this has 50. They all have unlimited orders, but they already have the storage limitations for their user images. And you can also see that they have 0% transaction fees. They also have this white label, advanced features, and full features. So just choose which plan is applicable to you. Second we have is called Global Product Options variant. So in here, you can see that this is perfect to build different options to set for different products with custom style and color font, just like this one. So if your product has a lot of variants, then this is perfect for you actually. So let me just close this up, and in here you can see the description. As you can see, it is verified by Shopify right here. And when you scroll down, you can see the pricing. They have a free plan, which is good thing. They have a premium plan, which is already so cheap because it's already just $9.99 or $9.90 per month, and the pro plan is only $19.90 per month. So you can see in here that they have these options for free plan, which is already just 5 options: sets, colors, image swatch, button, text box, drop down, checkbox, radio. And on the premium right here, all of these things right here, like this POS port, date time, add-ons, all of these things right here. Next thing I can recommend you is the Zepto product personalizer. They have a 15-day free trial as well, and they range up around $9.99 per month. So this is perfect if you have this right here. This is good if you want to build your own product. And you can also see in here that you can create your own products as well, and all of these things right here that you can choose from. So you can see in here the description, and you can see in here the pricing. They don't have a free plan, but they have a free trial, and their starter pack is already at $9.99 per month, and they have up to 50 personalized products. So aside from customizer, as you can see, the $9.99 already have 25, but this one has 50. So this is already really good. So their most pricey amount is $49.99 per month, which has unlimited things right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because this has reached more people. See you soon.